So, item number 2 for today, guys. This is a metal suitcase, as you can see. As you can see, there is a sticker here with a logo. I try to submit it for you. A logo TPS3, serial number 1154, made in USSR. Written in Cyrillic, of course. So, what's in the box? In fact, I don't remember. Yeah, it's a long time and yes. So, here is the contents of the box. First, the cover. You have a schematic, the right position to be better for you to see. You have a schematic of the thing, and you have some information. As you can see, it is a tester something, pre-electric something, schematics. You can see it is quite straightforward. You have a two voltmeters, some bulbs, some switches, and it's all. So in here, as you can see, it is a test box. You have two aircraft grade voltmeters. This one is up to 250 volts, and this one is up to 300 volts. You have some lights and plugs and switches. And it's all inside. It is just wiring, so it is not much interesting. So here you have cables to connect it. This kind of stuff, and round plugs, but not for to connect at this side of the device. And in here you I don't remember what it is. It is for something else, I believe. It is remains of Rio 3 tester. I did take apart. Rio 3 is an auxiliary system for helicopter turbines. I did take it apart, and I did just keep this thing because it was too bad. And in here it is quite interesting because you have a Russian stopwatch, which was provided with it. As you can see, well, so it is a little worn out, but I believe it is still working. Not sure. No. Oh, maybe I don't know how to use it. No, it seems it is broken. So you can see the dial is quite nice. I try to get not a good view for you with a two light shade. Not easy because it is very repetitive. So it is made in USSR also, of course, and it was provided with it. So I think it is a part of the test procedure to have a stopwatch. So you can see the cables here are held in place with lever straps. So I don't open it because there is nothing to see inside. It is just wires to interconnect all the things. Here you have fuse holders. And it's all for it, but it's quite neat to have aircraft grade indicators in it. If you can see, these stamps must be some quality approval or accuracy approval, something like this. There are several of them, so it must be a quite precise test device, it seems. Yes, so here it says it is for radio free also, so not sure what this thing do, but what I can do is show you the radio free box, because I have it. So it is part of a turbine control system for helicopter. I know it is using a toriated temperature sensor, which I do not have because it was radioactive, so I did not receive it. But I have the radio free box. It is somewhere here. Where is it? Where is it? Yes. It is this box. So you can see it in if you search for helicopter photos as mil helicopters. I remember a photo, you can see the rack of equipment behind the pilot seat, and you can clearly see a radio free module in the rack of equipment. Like, so it is this module. You can see it clearly in the. Oh, it seems this plug will match the cable I have in the suitcase. So it is just a box with shock absorbers, plugs, and nothing else. So I will open it for you, but the contents are not so exciting, if I remember correctly. Too big. It is just some vacuum tubes and relays and caps, as always in Russian avionics. So it is quite neat to have the actually have a electronic module on the matching test device. Don't know exactly how it works, but it should be possible to find info on internet. So here is the contents. In fact, it is very straightforward. You have some kind of a 3-pin tube here, maybe high voltage diode or something like this. Some dead bug transistors, some of these green caps. In the middle you have what seems to be transformer and relays, and other side some more caps and transistors, and it's odd. So I don't know what it does exactly, but internet would have information on it. The only thing is that you have to search with Cyrillic characters if you want to find something. So it is all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.